Hello, here we go again. Today we're going to make a very quick orange vinegar. No fat, no nuts, just oranges. This is courtesy my good friend Amanda Strombaum, the president of the Vegan Society of Washington. So you start with 1 cup of orange. In my case, I juice my own orange. You can use frozen orange juice or you can use orange juice that you buy in the store. In a mason jar, one garlic with your garlic press. Bingo. 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, a quarter of a teaspoon of sea salt, a pinch of orange zest. I just grated it with the oranges that I juiced. Just a pinch. It could be fairly strong, so start with a little tiny bit. Voila, you see? Just a little tiny bit. A little bit of basil. And of course, there is never a vinaigrette without mustard. So a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. You can add more if you like mustard. A little bit of black pepper. And a teaspoon of date paste. Close your jar. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it again, shake it again. I'm having fun, isn't it? And pour it over your salad. So I have a salad in here, and of course I use some fresh oranges on it to help with the juice. Pour it on top of it. Et voila! You have no nuts, no fat, no soy, nothing. Plain old, simple vinaigrette that is delicious. Enjoy. Et